Now once you've paired your phone, another thing you can do is if you go to your iTunes and you see there red triangle with kind of 3 red circles, if you click there you'll see Vauxhall is highlighted, or there's a tick next to it. If it's not for any reason, just touch it, make sure the tick's there, go back to your tunes, click play. Now if you go to home, go to audio, you see there it's playing smooth FM, but source button up here, you've got AM, FM, DAB and Bluetooth at the bottom. Click on Bluetooth and it's playing The Doors, Come On Baby Light My Fire. I'll just turn it up so you know it definitely is. So that's it, that's how to stream audio. That's about it for this car.